Hello, my name is Eric Hansen, Chief Information Officer of Waste Connections. I'd like to welcome you to Yellow Messenger's Game of Bots Hackathon. Yellow Messenger is on the cutting edge of chatbot technology. As participants in this event, you are helping to sharpen that edge. Let me tell you a little bit about Waste Connections. We're a 23-year-old company in the waste management industry. We have residential, recycling, commercial, and landfills all across the United States and Canada. Every day we have over 10,000 trucks on the road servicing our customers. The most popular way for customers to contact us is via the telephone. Each day we get between 50 and 75,000 phone calls. Being a decentralized company, we have small call centers in the cities and towns that we service. Each location has different rules, laws, and guidelines established by their local governments that we have to follow. This means that answers to questions can vary by location. The only people that know the answers to those questions are the customer service reps that answer the phones. We partnered with Yellow Messenger to help build us a chatbot with a live agent handoff that can help us transition from a phone-based customer service group to one that offers communication with our customers through multiple channels. We feel this will help our customers and ease the burden on our employees. As you get started in this hackathon, I challenge you to think about those customers and think about those employees and try to create great tools that will make the communication easier for those two groups. I look forward to seeing the great things that you create, and good luck.